Hey there guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I wanted to give you a quick unboxing of the Ztotop, I guess, leather folio case. And this is actually the third time I've purchased one of these. So I had the 2015 iPad Pro, the 2017 iPad Pro, and now the 2018 iPad Pro. And this one is for the 2018 iPad Pro. So I got the same exact design that I had for the 2017, and that is this one here. And so this is a 2-year-old example of this case, and I don't really take it anywhere. I just kind of keep it at home, but as you can see, it's really stayed nice and not giving me any issues. You do have like this little kind of thing here, and yeah, it has not bent, warped, or anything crazy, and it's really easy to clean. It's kind of like this faux leatherish thing, but it's been a really good case. So I'll go ahead and unbox it real quick. Actually unbag it, I guess you could say, since it's not really in a box. Now the 2018 is much smaller. The 2018 is much smaller than the 2017, but here you can see this is the exact same kind of case here. And it has the same colors and everything, so you have this little flap here that you can put like cards or something in there if you want to. We've got a little guide that tells you how to use it. So you pop your iPad in, and then it shows you how to use the to view things with it. So it has a little stand that's integrated, a little hand strap that's integrated, and an elastic band that's integrated also. So comes with our little styrofoam insert. So you put your iPad in here, a nice cutout for the camera here. You can see these little grooves are where you would stand the iPad there. So you have a couple different options there. And you get your little hand strap, so you have your strap here at the back, and you would just strap it around, and then you have a hand strap so you can actually hold your iPad and, you know, take notes, whatever you're gonna do with it. It also comes with a small little tag right here, and that is for your Apple Pencil. On the back here, you can see that's our cutout. It's a nice cutout for the iPad. It does leave most of the side exposed, but it does have the corners covered here. On the bottom there, it does leave the bottom mostly exposed, and then you have a little indentation for where the charging port is. On the side here, it's obviously folio style, so this would cover this side. And on the top here, you do have the top kind of exposed here with the power button kind of indented a little bit, so it has more room for you to press that. Corner, it is covered, and there you go. So I'll go ahead and put it in there, and I'll show you. And I'll show you the difference between the 2017 and 2018. So on the 2017 version, it's much larger, but similar in very many ways. It does have more of a kind of a fabric-y insert versus the kind of more plasticky insert on this one, but it does have the 3 different options for your stand. You do have that hand strap there. We've got an interesting cutout for our camera. We have on the side here, it actually covers more. So this version covers more than the new one. We have just the cutout here for your volume buttons and the mute and sleep switch right there. This covers the entire side. On the bottom it is, however, open. You have the corners on both sides, open, and then there is more of an insert there if you can see that. More of an insert gap right there for your lightning port. On the side, obviously folio style, so it folds over. On the top, it is open again. So we have the corners taken care of, open right there. More of an indentation for where your sleep wake button is. On the back there, we have our cutout right here for our camera. We have a microphone cutout right there, and we do have that little strap. So you have the same exact options for this one than you do with this one. Here is the size difference, if you can see that. And I do have to say that like I said, the 2017 version that I have, and like I said, I've had my iPad Pro 2017 for 2 years, and it has not given me any issues, and this case has been great. So honestly, I would give it 5 stars. I did have a different version of this case previously. I had just the brown color of this, the brown leather color, and that one did fine, and that's why I continue to buy them. because this case has given me no issues. It's been really good, protected the iPad, and done a good job. So that's why I continue buying this brand and buying this specific case. I like it. So let me go ahead and put the iPad in and I'll show you how it looks. All right, so here it is, all clipped into place there. So here's how it looks with it in it. So it doesn't cover the whole side. And now I see why. It's because their Apple Pencil magnet is right there, so you don't want to cover that. Here is our camera cutout, perfectly cut out. And see, it's just a nice looking case in general. I just really like it. And here it is open. It does have the magnet in there. So it does turn on and off the screen. So we have those 3 different parts where we can actually do things here. So let's try that out, I'll show you. So all you do is you just pick which one you want it to be in. And you can have it this, a little bit lower, a little bit lower. And there you go. So there, it has those 3 different options there. You have that little handstand there, or hand cover, hand strap, excuse me. And yeah, it's just a nice looking case in general. Adds only a little bit of thickness, but it is protective nonetheless. And that's why I continue using it. So anyway, that's a quick look at the Ztotop leather folio. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did like it, please hit like. If you want to see more, consider subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next video.